Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and you can never have enough of a variety of spatulas. And I love the variety of the NileHome Silicone Spatula set. It is a 6-piece set and is just a perfect thing to have on hand in my kitchen. I really like the silicone brush. The handle is sturdy, the bristles are flexible, buttering the pan, putting on top of a dish to brown, and putting extra marinade on dishes that you're grilling. The two size typical spatulas are, again, sturdy in places where it counts and flexible where you need it so that you're able to scoop out everything. If you're needing to get something out of a container, maybe transferring it, or just putting it onto a dish, you're able to make sure you don't waste any of that goodness. I personally love the scoop spatulas because usually you're wanting to get all of the stuff that you need out, but you actually want a spoon size so you can actually scoop up underneath whatever you're trying to get. I like to put my coffee grinds in my composter, so this really helped me with that. I also love this knife spatula. So if you have anything narrow or long, this is really going to do such a good job getting all of that out. This is such a useful set. And that's my point of view.